So we have here with us Mr. Arun Diani, who is the director of Power. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Very good afternoon. So, sir,
Good afternoon.
basically, I will be requesting you to take us through the entire store today.
Sure. Why not?
Shall we start with this sofa?
Yes.
This is
This is a specialized fabric.
okay.
It has a look of leather, but it is soft and very comfortable. Now these days, this kind of fabric is very popular because nowadays people like to have the leather look, but lot of people don't want the leather in the home. They like the softness of the fabric. So this kind of fabric, when you see in this sofa also, so from the far away it may look like a leather sofa, but when you touch it, it's very soft and comfortable.
So it's not leather basically.
No.
Okay. So moving on, next, would you just show us this range, because this has got a very fancy finish, as I can see.
Yes. See, this is a very luxury sofa. It's almost a 4-seater. It's a large sofa.
Right.
This is meant for like bigger luxury living rooms when you have a bigger size.
Right.
And it has got a very intrinsic, it's called an Italian luxury style. We call this an Italian luxury style. So here you will see this body is made with a veneer and there is inlay work. So there's a very intricate inlay design here. Although it's a contemporary design, but along with the contemporary design, they have added a little bit of classical element. The same design and the pattern is being followed also, if you will see, in the cushions.
Yes.
The same design is being followed with the cushions, and the fabric has got very interesting contrast, where here we have the quilted fabric and here we have the plain fabric.
Right.
And if you see below, there is the gold skirting. So this gold skirting gives it a very, very high end look.
Right.
And the comfort level in these sofas are very high because the velvet fabric, and it's very high quality, very thick velvet fabric. So it will make you feel very comfortable.
Right. I think this gold is adding a class to the entire thing.
Yes.
Right. And sir, what about this gloss? Like, I can see that this is a glossy thing.
Yeah, so this is called a polyester gloss. Actually, it is like a mirror finish. Later, I will show you in one of the walls here because it's a low. So we just create almost a 2 to 3 mm layer, a thick layer of polyester polish. And this is we use the polyester is of the Italian polyester. Actually, we are importing the Italian using the imported Italian texture polishing material. So make it very, very glossy, and it is the top quality gloss in
This gloss is going to stay.
Yes, it's going to stay for very, very long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
This also looks very elegant.
This is a specialized sofa. This is actually an imported sofa. So this has got the high quality Napa Italian leather.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you see and you touch it, it's very soft and very top quality Italian leather. And it's all around. It's got the very good veneer. And here you see is the leatherite and veneer combination along with this matte gloss, matte gold. Yeah, matte gold to add a very huge class to it.
Right.
And there is the matching coffee table to it, which has Italian marble and 2-color veneer.
So sir, I just want to ask you something. Suppose I have a smaller room, but then I want this. So can this be customized?
Yes, we can customize it to your taste and to your design. This particular piece is imported, but we are making the same piece here as well.
Okay.
But since this was the leather piece,
Right.
so we import because the Italian leather.
Okay.
But the same designs we are making in the Indian fabrics as well.
Okay. So the size can be customized?
Yes, the size can be customized as per your house.
Okay.
But we have to, of course, take care of the comfort level,
Right.
because the depth and certain things cannot be compromised upon
Right.
about the designing. But the weight, a small amount of depth changes, and small variations can be done.
Okay. And if I want, I can also opt for a different color.
Yes, you can opt your color. You can choose from different shades and to suit your taste.
Great. So now I think we have come to the bedroom area, right?
Yes.
And this is looking so exotic. Sir, could you please tell me something about this one?
Okay, bedroom is like one of my favorite rooms.
Okay.
Yeah, we are really specialization in bedrooms,
Right.
and we give really very high thought when we design the bedroom. for a home, because that is the place where you come in and relax.
Right. Absolutely.
I'm going to show you. This is a master bedroom bed,
Okay.
normally used in the master bedroom, and it's totally fully quilted.
Yeah.
So full quilted fabric is being used. So it gives that soft nature. It brings that love and warmth in the house, you know, and it's very comfortable because you can sit anywhere and you can sit on, relax anywhere. It is quite safe also for kids or anything running around.
Right.
So there are no sharp edges, and it gives a real good feel of luxury. The quilted fabric has been adorned with this rose gold.
Shipping.
Rose gold stripping work. Yeah,
So, sir,
and yeah.
suppose like there must be few clients, few customers who wouldn't want to go for a quilt because this gets a little dirtier easily. So what is the alternative option that you have for them?
So if you can choose the color and the fabric of your choice, because we are doing entirely customized along with the sizes also, because and the patterns also can be changed. So if you are don't want the fabric, you can do the in leatherite. So this is a typical example of a leatherite bed.
Right?
Yes, yes. So this is more easy to clean.
Right.
Yeah. This is also very elegant. It's a combination of a plain and a quilted. Yeah.
So, and along with this, there is this wardrobe which is a match to this.
Yes. So along with the bed, most of the places people have customized wardrobe.
Right.
So nowadays sliding wardrobe is very popular.
Yes.
So this is one of the example of the sliding wardrobe which we are making.
So this is looking very different. Like I've never seen a wardrobe like this before.
See, these are all customized designs.
Okay.
So you can have your own pattern.
Okay.
These shutters are made in the champagne color profile. When you see this color, this is a champagne gold profile.
Absolutely.
And here we are using the etched glass. There's a mirror,
Okay.
a bronze mirror, and the lines have been etched into a special pattern for you. And this whole mechanism, as you see, is a Russian mechanism, and it's very soft in nature. As you can
Can I
touch
do
it.
it once?
Yeah, sure. You can try it out.
This is my question doing. This is really easy. This is really very easy.
Yeah, it's very soft, and it also comes along with a lock. So if you want locking mechanism,
So a lock can be put
Yes.
along with it.
yeah, as you see, just with one finger touch, you can do it.
Exactly. This is very soft and very easy.
One thing I forgot to mention, that all our beds have the option of putting storage. So inside it, maybe below this bed, the mattress, there's a huge amount of space, and everything comes with hydraulic mechanism, and you can store it. And nowadays we have remote based electronic mechanism, hydraulic also, just like a car seat where you can, with the push of a,
We even have to use our hands to.
no, yeah, just with the remote control, you can open the mechanism.
Oh, that makes life very easy.
Yes.
So what is this? This is a storage.
Oh, this is an interesting pieces. We also deal in a lot of accessories,
Right.
home accessories and small accents.
Sir, what is this? Is this a dining and a living area in combined?
Yeah, this is like the dining area and this. But first I would like to show you, since we are doing the bedroom, walk-in closet. Here. Yes.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. So, can you just take us through it? I can't just wait.
Okay. You see, this is a sliding door.
Right.
It's a synchro mechanism.
Okay.
So if you pull from one side, it can go inside, and then you walk into your luxury wardrobe. This is where you have. Yes. This is where all the shopping you do, and you can fill this up.
Actually, now I think that this is the exact wardrobe that
Yes.
I
These are the small drawers where you can have your luxury watches.
Right.
These are the
These
places.
are the shoe racks.
Yes, these are shoe racks, trouser racks. You have the. This is the places where you can put your purses. There's a corner.
Suppose I don't want it this big. So can it be a
Yeah, so this is all entirely customized. The way you want, it can be customized. Yeah, we have added some bright lights to make it look nice.
Right.
You can see one of the sliding wardrobes in here. So we can show what kind of mechanisms we are having.
This entire wardrobe collection is so important.
You see now, you can just have a pull-out mechanism. Yeah. This is for the tall wardrobes. We just kept it. So if you have a tall wardrobe, and you can just put it here, and your hanging thing comes out.
You don't have to arrange it
Yeah.
up on that and.
These are racks for putting shoes.
Right.
And special sliding drawers.
These all can even be closed, like.
Yes, up to you. So these are customized solutions, and now this is a veneer and poly coated finish.
It has the same shine that I have been seeing.
Yes. This is a high top quality. Yes, and
Okay, this is also almost happening with a finger touch.
yes.
This
This is the same Russian mechanism which we are using. This comes with a lifetime warranty, and this also comes in many colors, and the designs can be done as per your choice.
for the room size and.
Yes.
Great.
Yeah. This is
It is actually a very unique thing that I've seen.
yeah. This is one of another unique design. So here it's the headboard is in leatherite, and we have used the matte gold.
Okay. So this is also very elegant, very elegant. So again, we can have other things accessorized with it in match.
Yes. You can change the color of the bed. You can change the color of the side tables. You can have the customized size.
We can also do it in the size also, right?
Yes,
If we
yes.
want, we can make it in single bed as well.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the matching sofa, which can go in your home.
Right.
Yeah.
So, I can see the dining section over there as well, right?
Yes. First, let me show you this dining.
Yeah.
So this is a wooden polyester top,
Okay.
and this is got the nice inlay work, as you see, and burl veneer on top of it. And the dining chairs also have very interesting designs and pattern on the back, the polyester back, and high quality velvet fabric.
Right. And then this chandelier, this looks so nice.
Yeah, this is one of the signature chandeliers. We are bringing in limited chandeliers, but all very classy pieces. So all the accessories and stuff which we have, and
Very unique, very different.
yeah, and this also is option to customize to make it longer or smaller with less number of bulbs. Or
That can also be done.
yes.
So the best option that I see here is the one for customizing.
Yes, we are doing the full interiors. So we are offering the client the service.
When a client gets something as per their taste, as per their needs, then it's nothing like
Yes.
that. So what will this be? This will be a marble top?
Yeah, this is a marble top, and along with the rose gold stainless steel base and rose gold colored stainless steel dining chair. This kind of the rose gold base and this kind of style is nowadays very popular.
So this is what leather?
Yeah, this is leatherite. Yeah, artificial leather.
तो अब क्या हो रहा है मैं आपके साथ घूमूं तो अभी मुझे भी थोड़े आइडियाज होने लगे हैं. So moving on to next, I can see a lot of ceiling fans over here.
Okay. See, these ceiling fans are from the brand Fan Studio. Have you heard about the brand Fan Studio?
Very premium brand.
Yes, it's a luxury brand, one of the finest,
Right.
and it's a made in India brand.
Okay.
Yeah, it's from the House of Tulu company, and you see all the fans here. These are all very specialized fans, because nowadays fan used to be a ugly thing in your home.
Absolutely.
I mean, like you get the same look and everything आपने अच्छा बना लिया, लेकिन पंखा नहीं है तो पंखा वही पुराना चल रहा है. But now this is a piece of luxury, and आपका fan आपके इंटीरियर्स के साथ मैच होएगा. You can change the color of the blade.
Right.
आप उसको वुडन कलर चाहिए, आपको ब्लैक चाहिए, आपको ब्राउन चाहिए, आपके फर्नीचर आपके इंटीरियर के हिसाब से आप उसको डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. And there are different styles which are involved. There is a classical style, there is a very modern style. So आप हर फैन को आपके इंटीरियर्स के साथ मैच कर सकते हैं. And
They're not boring anymore.
yes,
This is something unbelievable. So, like the showroom is needless to say it's very beautifully designed, but then I just wanted to ask you, like, is this for the showroom decor or even we do it at client place?
no. See, we have used this is a part of a showroom decor, but we have tried to portray the kind of stuff which we can do for your interior. So this is a typical partition system which you can have in between your drawing room and dining room, or sometimes just before the entrance. So we do this kind of partition system. This is done in rose gold stainless steel, and this can be again customized entire designs, and we do a lot of this partition system. You see this kind of rose gold framing here in the doors, yeah.
Yeah.
in the doors. So this is very popular. This kind of style nowadays.
Can be also done at my
Yeah, we are doing for clients, we are doing for hotels, we are doing for restaurants. So these everything which we show over here.
making it look so grand. Entrance itself becomes
Yes.
so grand with this. Absolutely mesmerizing.
Each thing which we have used is things which we are doing for the client, including the wallpapers, the paint, the flooring, the lights, everything we are doing for everybody.
So sir, if I'm not wrong, this is a modular kitchen, right? From
Yes.
my understanding, I can see that. But then sir, how is it different from other modular kitchens, or how a customization is possible in this?
Our all modular kitchens are machine made,
Okay.
and this is a customized kitchen where we have shown the PU painted shutter, and PU painted shutters are being done in our specialized paint shop
Okay.
in a controlled environment. So our painting is very accurate and beautiful, and all this is calibrated, made with plywood. So it's waterproof boiling waterproof plywood, and along with the accessories which are being used are all German and accessories which are having the soft closing.
So anything that we are closing is happening with only a finger touch.
Yes.
Right. So, and sir, what is this section you use for?
This is a wardrobe for your kitchen, so you can store a lot of stuff. And here we have used the specialized rose gold mirror here as a fascia. It is giving a break to the whole look, all the white kitchen.
Right.
You see, and here you can store all your stuff in here. And this also has a soft close as you
This
see.
is basically a kitchen storage.
Yes, kitchen storage, and here you have the specialized drawer system where you can have your different kind of boxes, segregated, kept properly. All is having the soft closing as you see.
I'm sure my mom would love to see this, because this is a very nice way where we can keep things organized.
Yes. And everything goes inside.
Right.
And the mirror is always adding more depth to the place.
Right.
So kitchen are normally smaller in size. So this mirror makes it look larger than life.
Right. So this this mirror is there, then the kitchen is not boring or dull anymore.
Yes.
Right. So sir, I'm just a little curious. If we could go upstairs, what do we have upstairs?
देखिए अपस्टेयर्स जो है ना हमारे, जैसे कोई स्टोर जो होता है या कोई जगह होती है ना, तो यहाँ हमारा आपकी जो बॉडी होता है उसका ब्रेन यहाँ अपस्टेयर्स है हमारा.
Okay.
या सो यू प्लीज.
Are you going to introduce me to the brain of
या. So this is our design studio. As you can see, here we have the designers. As you can see, this is creativity on work.
all the things?
Yes, all the brainstorming, all relaxed here. क्या चल रहा है भाई? What are you making? Okay, can you show something? One of the recent designs. Okay, this is some design for some client he's making. Okay, can you show one of the renders? Okay. Recently we were doing one office here. Okay. Okay, very nice. So this is the industrial style office which we are making, and these are the final designs. Okay. So this is just a workstation. This is how you go up. This is upstairs. Very nice. And the chamber. Okay. That's very nice. And here we have the materials gallery. So all kind of designs when we are done with, then आप जाके you can choose अपना design, आपका color, आपका fabric, आपके finishes choose करते हैं. Clients can have a discussion here peacefully and finalize the things. We have few more samples of kitchens here, as you can see. So this is an acrylic finish, and this has got more SS based basket. Yeah. These are more economical in range. So if you're looking for a little slightly more economical solutions, we are showing some other options as well. These are also very nice and smart,
Okay.
and also manufactured by us.
This is very nice. Very nice.